We are back with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and in this video we're going to talk about something that has probably happened to a lot of people, a lot of us don't know the answer to, and that's if an animal bites me. If an animal bites me anywhere on my body, do I have the opportunity to file a lawsuit? What's the restrictions with that, David?
Well, it's a good question. As far as when you say animal, the law in the state of California is that if it's a wild animal, it's a strict liability. So, in essence, like let's say it's a lion or a bear, elephant, or anything of that nature that attacks you, then it's strict liability based on the owner of whoever is the animal. If it's a stray dog, sometimes unfortunately I've had clients call me and say, some dog out in the street is a stray dog. Now, technically, in theory, if you do know who the owner of that dog is, then you can sue them for strict liability. But if they're just a stray dog, no owners, unfortunately, you can't pursue a case. In some cases, for example, let's say a cat bites you. Is that considered a wild animal? Maybe not, maybe no, maybe so. It depends on how courts want to define it. If the cat then is determined that it has a vicious propensity, then it's known by the owner. That's another thing, again, that you can go after the owner for strict liability. So to answer your question, yes, you can go ahead and sue and recover for any injuries sustained as a result of an animal bite. It just, you have to do a case-by-case, determine if it's a wild animal, if it's not a wild animal, if it's an animal with vicious propensities.
And that's something
that's the story in a nutshell. In every case, there's a lot more details and factors that come in that a lawyer needs to look into it. But in a generalized nutshell version of can you or not, that's the basic answer.
And that's exactly right. Every case is different, and the law offices of David Azizi can help with all those questions with a free consultation. The phone number will be in the video and below the YouTube video. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.